Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's Go High Level video, we are going to talk about client portals versus memberships. If you sign up for Go High Level using our affiliate link below, you'll unlock an exclusive extended 30-day free trial. That's double the usual 14 days. Plus, we're throwing in over $2,000 worth of bonuses, including this landing page template. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. And of course, before anything else, you can access the client portal and the membership section once you log into a sub account. So for beginners, they might think that the client portal is the same with memberships because you can access the client portal under the memberships section. But we are going to discuss how the client portal is different from the memberships. Let's talk about the client portal first. So according to Go High Level Support, the client portal is a centralized platform where customers can conveniently engage with your business and access various features. By utilizing the client portal, you can provide your customers with a more personalized and contemporary experience when they review their interactions with your business. It offers a comprehensive overview of all their past and present engagements, allowing them to gain insights into their history with your business. Customers can effortlessly monitor their affiliate commissions and payouts within the client portal, access their membership courses, and join community groups. So, in short, the client portal is a one stop shop where your customers can access all the content that you offer them, including their affiliate commissions. All right, so when you go to the sites, you will see the client portal tab right here. So the reason why it's under the sites section is because when you try to access the client portal, of course, you need a URL. So it's going to direct you to a website, which is the client portal itself. So when a user logs into the client portal, this is what they will see. So they will see all their joined groups. They will see all the online courses that they completed or they're currently enrolled in, and their invoices, contracts, if there are any. They can check their affiliate earnings and manage their subscription. Now, as we go to the membership section, here's where the confusion comes in because when you go to the membership section, you will also see the client portal itself. And everything that you will see here are the same when you click and go to sites. So it's the same. You have the dashboard settings and branded mobile app. When you get to memberships, you will also see dashboard settings and branded mobile app. It's the same here. So what sets the membership section apart from the client portal itself? So here in the membership section, here is where you manage and create all the content that you have for the client portal, including your online courses, communities, and your certificates. So as we further explore the membership section, you will see that here's the dashboard for the courses. So you can see the online courses you created here under the products here. You can also see the communities, the groups that you created for your members, the certificates that you have, and so on. So yeah, Go High Level made it more accessible for the users to access the client portal settings by putting this section as well under the membership section. So in conclusion, the client portal is a page used for accessing online courses, communities, certificates, and affiliate commissions for your clients. And the settings can be accessed through the site section or the membership section of the client subaccount. Meanwhile, the membership section is a section within the client subaccount where you can create, manage, customize, and upload your content such as online courses, communities, and certificates. This also houses the settings for the client portal. And there you have it. We just learned the differences between the client portal and the membership section. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. And don't forget, if you're ready to try out Go High Level, use our affiliate link in the description to unlock an extended 30-day trial, over $2,000 worth of bonuses, and a free landing page template. See you in the next videos.